we're scrambling again. Got a call that the electrician is going to be here tomorrow morning at 8 a.m. Glad, but that means I got to go to Home Depot, pick up some plywood. That way we can get that portion of the wall sheathed and ready for that mini split to be installed. So that's where I'm headed now. Hopefully we'll get this done quick, because it's hot. It is hot out here. Today I hit 102 where I'm at, with a heat index of like 110 or 112, something like that. Yeah, it's hot. All right, I'll catch y'all guys soon. Hey, I'm Robert. Welcome to another Rondadillo Designs video. As you know, just ran to Home Depot to pick up another order of plywood, and we're about to take that plywood back to the shop, get it hung up. That way we can get our electrician out here and get the mini split installed. I don't have any sheathing on the walls yet, and this area definitely needs sheathing to be able to install that mini split up on the wall where it needs to go. So that's what we're doing. Initially, I wanted to do it myself. They sell mini split install kits that are DIY, but right now we find ourselves in a pretty privileged position to be able to afford for somebody else to come out and install it professionally, and I don't have to mess with the Freon, electrical, or anything else, and the service is warranted. So I think that that's going to be the best bet for us moving forward, and it's just going to happen sooner. Now we'll be able to get out there and use this shop no matter what season, no matter what weather, so that's a bonus. So I'm excited about it. Hope you're excited about it. This is going to be a pretty quick video, but let's get to it. I don't know where my memory card ran out of space, but in case you missed that, what I did was measure how high up that needed to be, and then I drilled in a screw on both of those posts. That way we could just lift it up, and that holds it in place and just hold it against the wall. And we're not straining ourselves, we know it's level, all of that good stuff. So if you're ever doing this either alone or with like one other person that and y'all don't have any mechanism to hold it against the wall, that's how you do it. All right.
He's like, I'm super woman.
We're done hanging these things. All that's left is to get the electrician out here. He's gonna hang the mini split, install everything, and then it won't matter if it's 102 degrees outside. We'll be nice and cool in here. We'll see you in a bit. Oh goodness. Oh goodness. It's so much cooler in here. Oh my gosh. So the electrician just left, and we let it cool off for maybe 20 minutes out here, and it is so much cooler in here. Oh, we finally have AC out here, so that means we can work. I mean, not that we couldn't work before, but it was just like, okay, we can work and sweat bullets the entire time. Now, we don't have to sweat bullets the entire time, and that is good. Let's see how loud this thing gets. So it's on the highest setting right now. I don't know if you can hear a buzz on the video. You can probably hear the chichatas because they are way louder than this thing. So yeah, I'm excited about that for filming purposes.
Yes.
Yeah. So we don't have to have the fan going at 1,000,000 miles an hour while we're trying to film and you can't hear us over it. So that's good.
Yeah. Yeah, when I was filming out here, I had to turn off the fan if I wanted to talk to the camera. And it wasn't even cooling me off that much.
Yeah. I mean, when we were out here last night installing the panels, the wood panels up there, like you had the fan pointed on me and I was like, oh, yeah, that's a little bit better, but it's not doing anything.
So it's just helping my sweat work.
Yes. Yeah. This is so much better. This is great. And I was able to put in a full day's work while the electrician was out here and doing his thing. It's warranted and covered and all of that. So if anything goes wrong with it, we don't have to worry about it because it was installed by a professional. Those are the upsides of not doing it yourself.
Yeah.
So
and he got to be out here sweating.
yes, he got to be out here sweating while I was inside working from home.
It took a lot longer to install than we expected.
It
so
did.
If we had done it, we probably would have taken multiple days.
Oh my gosh. I can't imagine. Well, but he also, so they have specialized equipment. Yeah, so the DIY kits that they sell, like the majority of it is done for you, right? You don't have to worry about the Freon or, you know, anything else unless something goes wrong and then you're kind of up the creek without a paddle and have to call an electrician anyways. So we decided, you know what, let's just skip the hassle because things tend to go wrong when we're trying to do things on our own and hire somebody who knows what they're doing. And we did. And I think that was a good decision. So the AC is done, the insulation is done. The next steps that we have are to go ahead and start sheathing the walls. That will happen eventually, but I think first we're gonna move stuff out of the garage, right?
Yes.
So we're gonna get
parking space back.
we're gonna get her parking space back in the garage, get all the wood material and everything out here, sort through that, organize it, and then we'll jump into sheathing and stuff as hopefully prices drop in the future. Those two wood panels there were like 130 bucks. It's crazy, crazy expensive.
I did not know that.
yeah.
But
130 bucks.
I think our next steps are really starting to outfit the shop and figuring out like what's going to be a good setup for us and getting tools in places. Sheathing will happen as prices come down and as we're able to afford it or as it's required.
Like this was just, we needed to get it done. So, got the bare minimum necessary.
Right. And it's too bad we can't put like an alert to be like, the prices drop below this much.
Yeah, I mean, I'm sure there's a way to set something like an RSS feed up or something like that, but it's too much. It's too much.
I don't even know what that is.
Oh man, but yeah, we're excited. I hope you're excited for what this means for the channel moving forward. More projects, more often, and more videos more often. So I'm excited about it.
Are we going to do the doghouse next?
I think we're gonna do the doghouse next. So if you follow me on Instagram, if you're not following me on Instagram, you should. But if you follow me on Instagram, I posted a little sneak peek of the doghouse that I designed and that we will be building on this channel as our next big project. So I'm excited about that. I know Hannah's excited to see the dog in it.
He's goofy.
Yeah, he is a silly dog. But to see if he uses it and how he uses it, it's gonna have a little porch area for him to hang out in and stuff. It's gonna be good. So stay tuned for that, as well as some other videos that are gonna be coming out with other things that we've got going on here, including pottery and other smaller projects and stuff as they happen.
Hannah has her own channel that she's been popping videos out left and right, which is great. She's been trying. So it's all pottery based. It's called Arkansas Potter. I will link to one of her most recent video at the end of this video. So just look for that. I think that if you like pottery and project stuff and art stuff, you'll love her. And so go follow her there. She has a lot of interesting projects and things going on right now. What are you working on right now? You're working on a treat jar?
Yeah. Treat jar for all the dog treats because the bags take up too much space.
Yeah, like we have a little octagon table in our kitchen and it's just overflowing with bags right now of dog treats and like other things that are dog related.
So it's got like 4 sections in it, so I can put 4 different types of treats, and then not only will it take up less space, it'll be prettier.
Yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. And I mean, you know what to do with these videos. All the links are below, and subscribe and whatnot, but you're smart. We'll see you next time.
Dragonfly. He likes that corner. Whoa.